I know you've been waiting for this. Welcome to the murder basement! You want me to show you where I hide the bodies? Oh, okay. Anyway. So, if my voice sounds weird, it's because I'm wearing a dust mask. Sorry, guys. The title of my video. Voiceover Cat here to rescue you from Rambling Cat. Who, by the way, didn't say hello, my fishies. I'm gonna get straight to the point, whereas past me did not. And there's gonna be B-rolls and stuff, and this is basically just gonna be an update video and explaining my quitting YouTube. Because in actuality, no, I am not quitting. But for YouTube purposes, I'm quitting in all the ways that matter. I'm not going to go to any kind of posting schedule. Like, yes, I will still be posting on Saturdays because that just works for me. But I will not be trying to stick to my once-a-month videos anymore. I mean, I've mentioned this before. My mom got cancer. She is over it. Like, we're doing our last couple of treatments, but everything is good. I don't want to dedicate as much time as I have been to trying to make videos. So this is basically just a compilation video of all the small projects I've been doing in the process of all this stuff going on. And I just wanted to give you guys an update that, yes, for all intents and purposes, YouTube is no longer going to be any sort of priority for me. But I am not stopping. There will be content. It will not be consistent. I'm sorry. You can still check out the blog because as of right now, I'm going to be posting a bunch of patterns. I'm going to be explaining them in this video. But the video that explains them or the purpose of those patterns will be coming at a later date. So if you want to stay on top of making some patterns, check out the blog. If you want to wait for the how-to or the why you're doing it, keep tuned in on the channel, subscribe, like all that good stuff. And at some point, I will explain why those patterns are on the blog. So with that out of the way, I want to tell you about some of the things I've been doing. Not necessarily off camera, but in this quiet time that I've been taking. I've actually set up like a secondary area for me to craft in. It's more of a workshop area. As you kind of saw in one of the videos, I have been gathering things to take down into the basement and do some hardcore stuff like repurposing this cutting board into a cutting board so that I don't put holes in tables that I'm working on, since it's no longer good for cutting food on. This new workspace area will help me overall in things that I've had to worry about before. I will now have better ventilation, so fumes will not be an issue. There are in general less fire hazards in this new area, as well as tool storage space and the tables to handle those tools without damaging precious furniture. As well as just having more space in general down in this area. So in conclusion, Vlog Cat, take it away. Oh, molds! Oh, there's molds in another drawer. Dang it, I have stuff everywhere. Man, and I have a lot of stuff I really shouldn't be working on in this room. I gotta do that YouTuber thing now and thank this month's sponsor, Algorithm Anarchy. If you'd like to be a part of Algorithm Anarchy, all you have to do is, for a month, do nothing that relates to your channel, such as a workshop workbench, wood storage for your countless pieces of scrap wood. You can also work on Halloween costumes for like 2 weeks straight. You could even kind of go back to working on the algorithm content by working on doll furniture and assisting in construction checking patterns for other doll artists. Seriously, go check out Budyful. She's awesome! So stick it to the algorithm today by checking out Algorithm Anarchy. So for what you're actually here for, patterns, go ahead and check out the firetunaclub.blogspot.com for some more free patterns. There will be more patterns coming out. I simply just cannot make videos every time I make a single pattern. So here is what has been released since the last time I made a video on patterns. And who knows, for you guys in the future, there's probably going to be even more patterns. I have a couple of patterns for a Leek World art type body. If you don't have one, check out the Leek World website to get yourself one. It's a simple dress and a pair of socks. More are coming. I made the patterns forever ago, just trying to get them properly done for others to be able to read them. There are also some patterns for 1/6 dolls, a papercraft witch hat, a bean bag, and of course more coming even as I edit these videos. So bookmark that website, check it out, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys when I finish another project.